Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Back here with another Trading 212 portfolio update. This is episode 38 in the series. Today we're just going to be talking about the stocks that I've sold, stocks that I've purchased, the overall performance, and if any dividends have been received this week. I just want to make a quick mention of that I am testing a different way of recording this video. I'm using an external mic, so hopefully the sound is better. But yeah, let me know in the comments down below what you think. Do you prefer the old version or the new version? It would be good to know what you guys think. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So yeah, let's get started. So the portfolio is now at £7,033.39p. I've invested £7,027.63p. I'm up £5.76p. That's 0.08%. So over the last 7 days, it has basically been fluctuating around zero. So it's been diving into negatives, diving into positives, and back into negatives. So it's just been fluctuating around that point. So today I want to start off with a few stocks that I have sold actually. So we're going to start off with the first one. This has also paid me a dividend, which is GlaxoSmithKline. The main reason why I sold GlaxoSmithKline is that I want to reduce the number of holdings that I have in my portfolio. So I do want to reduce it by 10 or 15 stocks to get to around 35. So GlaxoSmithKline was one of those that I decided had to go. So I sold that. They did pay me a 19p dividend as well, so pretty happy with that. Moving on, the next one is Drax Group. Drax Group is an energy company, and I sold the entire position and closed it. So I sold about 18 shares in Drax Group. So with that said, again, it's for the same reason that I'm looking to reduce my positions in this portfolio. I've also sold a part of a position in Direct Line Group. So Direct Line, where is Direct Line? So I've sold, so I've sold about 18 shares in Direct Line as well. So I've got 100 shares left. I'm up £25. That's 9.24%. The main reason I sold those 18 shares was mainly just because it's at a decent price that I do want to take some profits out of it. And I do think that potentially they may hit £2.70 again. If they don't, then I've still got 100 shares. And if they do, I'll just buy some more. So we're just going with that theory right now. Then with the sales that I've made on those stocks, I've ended up purchasing a little bit more of DS Smith, to be honest, which is the packaging company. Let's find it. So DS Smith, here we are. So I've increased my position by 5 shares. So I've got a total of 30 now. I am down £12.57p. That's 12.9% in the red. My average price is still quite high at £3.24p, but we'll see how that performs over the month. The other stock that I've purchased, like I said in my previous videos, that I am looking to increase my positions in the S&P 500 stock ETFs. So I've purchased an additional share in the S&P 500 high dividend yield. So I've got a total of 6 shares. I'm up £1.36p. That's £1.13p. My average price is at £20.11p. So with the S&P 500 high dividend yields, to be fair, with both the S&P 500s I have in my portfolio, that I'm looking to increase this over the years, and it is potentially one of those retirement stocks for me that, you know, I'll hold till I get really old and stuff. So so it'll be basically in the portfolio for a good number of years, at least 10, 15, maybe even 20 years. So another stock that I've increased my position in is Energy Transfer. Here it is. So I've got 45 shares now. I'm down £33.09p. That's 12.48%. My average price is at $7.33. So it is a little bit higher than what it is right now. So I'll just be continuing to average down on it. They do pay quite a big yield as well, but that shouldn't be really what you would be focusing on when buying. It does help, but you shouldn't be focusing just on the dividend yield. I think they are a good company. I think for me, Energy Transfer is probably going to be like a medium-ish stock. By that I mean I'll be holding the stock for about 2 to 3 years. Lyft is another stock that I've increased my position in. This is purely just to average down. My average price was around $38, so I did buy half a share just to bring it down a little bit. Now it's at $35.53 as my average price. I'm down £6.32, which is about 15%. So I will probably be looking to purchase another half a share to bring that down even further. I did increase my position in Boeing as well. It was just a small whatever I had left. I used that other feature. I can't remember what it's called. When you click buy, it was the value order option. So I just entered an amount and then it just purchased whatever I can out of that. Another stock that I've added to the portfolio, so this is National Grid. I've been meaning to add this for a while. So I guess stocks that I end up selling, such as AT&T, will probably just go into this portfolio here, into this stock, and just increase it. Anyway, so I've added to this week. I've got 5 shares now. I am up 94p. That's £2.15%. Average price is at £8.72p. So again, I do think this is a good stock, especially for the long run. I think it's a decent company. So yeah. Royalty Income is another stock that I've added to, increased it by 1 share. So I'm up 82p. That's 0.89%. I actually got a dividend from them for 1 share. So here it is. So I've got a dividend of 20 cents. That's about 16p. So it's not too bad. Pretty decent, to be honest. So yeah, over the next few months, I'll be looking to increase that. Hopefully get to 5, maybe 10. We'll see. It's a monthly dividend, and I figured, I do want to increase my dividend stocks as well. The other stock that I have received a dividend from is Telefonica. Finally, I've received a dividend from them. They did pay a scrip dividend. So this is where the company will issue additional shares. But the payment for this did take a little bit longer. So I guess Trading 212 had to do some other stuff to it. So potentially sell those shares and then transfer that as cash. So if a company does offer you a scrip dividend, Trading 212 will then give that to you as cash. So it was interesting to see what they would do with that. Anyway, so let's find out how much I actually got from this stock. So I got 22 shares. Well, I had 22 shares at the time of ex-dividend. They paid 17 euro cents, and I got £3.42p from that. So with that dividend, I actually did reinvest it into the stock and purchased another one with a little bit extra. This was mainly just because I wanted to average down on it, and potentially it might be a good one to hold in the long run. So I do want to try and get to 25, and then I'm just going to hold until it goes into positive and then decide what I want to do. But in the meantime, I'll still be collecting those dividends, which is good. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the portfolio update. If you're interested in trying out Trading 212, you can use my referral links. You can also sign up to Stake and Freetrade, which are on screen now, and you'll get a free share in them as well. So you can get 3 free shares just by signing up to these platforms. So why not? But yeah, this is it for this video. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think, and also, do you prefer the audio from this video or do you prefer them from the previous videos? I would be interested to know your thoughts. Let me know down in the comments down below. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and see you in the next video.